Okay, hi guys. So I was just video calling my friends back from India, and the one who is. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you, and welcome once again to the channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and all your families and everybody else is safe. So, welcome to another vlog. Today is in fact Ram Navami. So, yesterday I was fasting, and today it's Ram Navami. So, you usually prepare chole, which is your chickpeas, puri, and halwa. So, I was just preparing all of those things. If you can see, my puri is here, and I think it's time to turn this. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I have, it's not puri, it's kind of a kachori, so that's why you don't see like the fluff. Yeah, so puri is here. I have made chole, okay, which has come on the camera. Okay, all right. Yeah, so chole is here, and I've also prepared badam halwa, shira. So this is here, but I have not had anything because I'm going to put it over as prasad and offer it there in the temple there, and then I'm going to have it. So yeah, I am almost done. Like, I woke up a little early and have prepared all of this. It did not take much time because this is something like we have been preparing, or I have also prepared like a lot of times. So now it's very quick. But yeah, puri halwa and chole, like the chana thing that's there, that you usually offer. So I'm going to put it there, and then I'm going to have like good food. And I love how, like, you know, these festivals you get to eat good food, and all of this food that you prepare, this I have not added onion garlic. It's without onion garlic because I'm going to offer it to God. So the taste of the food, the prasad taste, is only very nice, so I'm looking forward to it. And yes, it's just like another day work, and then I have a class in the evening today, so that I'll be doing. I may or may not go for laundry, that I have to check. And weekend is coming up, something exciting coming up. I think my friend is going to come here from New Jersey, New York, so it's going to be fun. The weekend is going to be fun, so I'm looking forward to it. And stay glued till the end of the vlog. Okay, hi guys. So I was just video calling my friends back from India, and the one who is shaking his head, this person is Sahil. And here it's Vishwadeep. It's Vishwadeep's birthday today. Happy birthday, Vishwadeep.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you. You. Happy birthday to you.
So meanwhile, Boston weather never fails to amaze you. If you guys want to have a look. Yes, we are raining today. Today our mood was to rain, so we are raining. And we are raining heavily. So in the past, I think back 10 to 15 days, I have been vlogging. I have showed you how hot it has been, like super sunny. I've showed you snow also one of the days. And now I show you rain as well. So it's on our mood, that is Boston's mood, to like whatever you want to do. And yeah, it's raining. Like, I was actually working out, and then I hear, I'm like, okay, like working out, sorry, not working out. I was actually working, and then I came and I'm like, okay, why? Like, suddenly I can see, like, you know, all cherry blossom trees out there, and then you want to rain. But it's okay, that is what it is. It's 6 o'clock right now, done with most of the work, and now I plan to chill for some time and work out, because 7:30 in the evening I have a class today, which is my second last class. I think it's going to be the last class because next class is only exam, that we have to do it like by ourselves. So yeah, 7:30 to 9:50 is going to be the class today, so kind of packed day. So let's invest this time in working out. Weekend, I'm not very sure I would get to work out because there's going to be too much walking and roaming around the city involved. So don't forget to watch those vlogs also. And time to work out now. Let's go. my GoPro was there, so I was not going to shoot this, but seeing the color, I was like, so excited. So I thought that, I'll shoot this. So this is my glass. Okay, if you can see, and this here is watermelon juice. And now what I have done is, this is here the mandarin orange juice, if you can see. Okay, and now I am going to mix it, add some jaljeera, and add a little bit of salt into it, and some jeera powder, and it's the best thing to have during evening, like if you feel like snacking too much. I also snack sometimes, like chips and all. We all are like huge fans of having all of that, but this is such a good, I feel so good after drinking like one fresh glass of juice. I just can't tell you. So I thought like I'll just try this out. Oranges and watermelon, the perfect combination ever. So just got done with my lecture, I think 15 minutes ago. Yeah, it was a very productive day. I did, I think, a lot of things. Cooked in the morning, so many things, and I had some important meetings and work also, so did all of that. Got time to work out as well. Tomorrow evening my friend is mostly like coming here for the weekend, so that should be like really fun. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to be staying awake late tonight to get done with most of my work which I have to do tomorrow. She'll be here, I think, tomorrow night, but what I'll do is I'll try to do as much as work, finish up all my personal work and everything, so that I'm free for the weekend and we can actually go around and spend some time. So yeah, that was it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit on the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you have like any comments, as I always tell you, so please do drop in comments and let me know how are you finding my vlogs. And I'm going to see you tomorrow with another vlog. Bye.